Hi, Easy.
My name is Easy. E-K-I-E-L. I'll
Okay.
open this first.
Okay, where you have to read where it came from. From Santa.
Yeah. I open it. I can. There's tape that's one.
Mhm.
Wait. Sorry about what? I take out. This is so hard though.
What Santa gave you?
What's this?
Whoa!
New backpack.
Oh, you try it. Okay, open it.
Later.
Open it, open. You have to open it.
I cannot. Wow, I have a knife.
Wow.
I see my uncle.
Same with Uncle.
Yeah. Next. This one.
Okay, who's that from? Too Easy from
Mama, no, this one.
the
No, the name.
Daddy.
Bob Daddy, okay. I'll just make it. Okay.
You can break it. Alam pa siya sa akin. If you can break it.
Ay.
You're getting close to me. I cannot see you in the camera. Mayan doon na. Yeah.
I'm opening it. Aya! Ooh, what is this?
Wow, what is that?
What is that? Oh my god.
Play-Doh!
Wow, Play-Doh. Wow.
I opened it.
Not yet.
Ayan, open mo present.
These are small.
Baka sa tabi niya
Look,
ng
Mommy,
easy, Michael.
these are small.
Okay.
Kapit sa ano.
Mommy, from this, no Disney.
Oh, from Santa again.
Ah!
Oh my God. From Santa.
Easy, been good boy.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's station. Wow.
Dancing lights.
What's this?
Okay, you sing.
Thank you.
Hug Uncle, hug. Terno. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Open your presents
Kinanta na
now.
kahapon eh, no? Paw Patrol. Right. Next. Hindi, tubig.
Wait, cheers para sa 2024.
Oh, at least meron ako shot. Tapang.
Yeah.
Tapos na? Ano lang? Hindi! You know how I got it?
Cause you watching, yeah?
Mata.
Are you done?
Oh. Bubulong?
The way they look at that
Wala lang.
Bakit ka to? Nagkalabak?
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
What's inside?
What's inside?
Desperation! It's a
Hindi! Bakit? Ano kahit to? Yes!
Tinig pala.
Bakit tinig?
Okay, Kuya Oliver next.
Picturean kita. Pipicturean kita. Pipicturean kita. Hi.
Kuya, Eddie, buksan mo yung araw-araw. Anak niya matay sa
Alak pala to.
naman yan. Tingin. Maybe it's connected. No, it's not. It's I've been trying to...
It's supposed to come out, but...
Dito mo bumuksan sa kakatingin.
Baka mabaksak sa mga bata.
You can rip it if you want. Bata.
Yay! Hi, Izzy.
Hi.
You have a new toy. What is
Yeah.
that?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, the partition.
It's a cash register.
Yeah.
Yeah? Try it.
All right, pal. So let's have some fun.
Wow. Cool.
I have a banana.
Okay. Give me the one I'm gonna buy.
This?
Yeah, put all your money first in here. Okay, and then give me $5 because I have to buy it. Oh, I have $6.
This.
Oh, you're giving me all the coins?
What is this logo? Continue buy.
Okay, ready?
And that's it.
Okay. Alright. You have to let me know how much is it, okay?
Okay.
Once you scan it. Hi! Cashier! I want to buy this, please.
$10.
Oh no, you have to scan it first so you know the price. Teet.
Okay.
You have to press this. Teet. Teet. No, when you scan, you have to press this, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, again. Again. Try again.
Okay.
Hi, cashier. I want to buy this one. Okay. And then you press the white button. Okay.
$10.
Oh, $10. Oh my god, so expensive. Okay. I have $10 in here. Yep. Mickey Mouse, $10.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, good job. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. No more bag. You're supposed to say thank you. Come again.
Thank you, come again. And this